Hello YouTube, and welcome to another computer video. This is the introduction to my Coolermaster 692 Advanced project. It's not really a project because this case is just phenomenal, as Troubadour would say, just right out of the box. But there's a few little mods that I want to do to kind of make it my own. Some which other people have done, and a few little ones that I've thought up since I got the case that I think will make it a little unique. One of them is with the Corsair system. I plan to mount it in the front again instead of the rear where it's mounted right now. If you look here, I'll go over more with the cooling and everything that I got set up and the cable management in another video when it's more brighter out. It's kind of dark actually right here now. Actually on the side panel I'm just running, and I'm always scared I'm going to scratch this I guess powder coating or painting or whatever this is, and I actually did one time underneath here. I took one of the panels off, but you can't see it. I basically took the stock 140mm fan here that comes in the top, put that here, and I just did that. But this fan, I had it running on a fan controller, and the NZXT Century fan controller over there doesn't like to run some fans at full speed, so we're going to have to run that straight off the 12 volt, which is no problem because this fan's pretty quiet. Other than that, same old hardware. I have the fluid to change out in the Corsair H50. I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to swap out the E4500 back to the E2140, which has been lapped. If you guys remember, in an older video I said that. And this Corsair H50 has been lapped, but the E4500 I'm running underneath it is not lapped, so I think that's kind of why my temperatures might be a little worse. And like I said, I really need to clean this thing out because I didn't clean it out as good as I'd like to last time. Now I got the good fluid, and I'm going to go with a green theme inside of here to go with NVIDIA, since I'm a big NVIDIA fan. So we're going to go with the green inside theme. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but that's what we're going to do. I'm also going to take out these bottom bays here, just run 2 hard drives, because I have the hard drive dock up here, so if I ever need to run a benchmark drive or overclocking drive, I'll just plug it in there and unplug these, so I don't have to worry about any type of corruption on the other drives, and we'll be good to go. One thing I have to say: if there's anybody who is thinking about getting a case, and I actually picked this up at Micro Center for $80. Well, $90. It was $89.99 plus tax, which is actually cheaper than Newegg. Surprisingly, not by much, but it is. And I went and picked it up and verified that everything was perfect. I didn't get it shipped and have it arrive damaged. So this case is amazing. If you're looking for a case that's around $100, that has everything you could want, and you're not trying to run anything crazy like Tri-SLI, this case will definitely support a nice 480 SLI setup for sure, depending on your motherboard, of course. But for sure, I mean, cooling wise, you'll have to upgrade the fans, change some things around, but the options, everything's filtered except for the side panel, which I'm going to make a custom filter for that, or maybe buy one because it's a 140. But I might end up doing a window for this later on, but for now this will work perfectly fine. And yeah guys, so I'm going to make another video here and change a few things around, show you guys the cable management, which was, by the way, a breeze. I spent half the time I did on my old stacker case on this case, and it's 10 times better management. The back panel fits on perfectly, and everything fits greatly. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm going to button this back up. I actually do have the fan unhooked right now because I have the cable lead that comes out here, this hole down here that usually plugs into here. I'm running this fan here because this RAM in the North Bridge actually was burning to the touch, because I took my chipset fan off, and I usually never run this board overclocked when I fold and everything without a fan on that, and I actually was running it for the last maybe 24 hours or so without one, and I was in there messing around earlier and I was touching on it, and it took a few seconds, but yeah, it burnt my finger almost. So yeah, I put that 120 there and it's running nice and cool now, keeping her stable. The E4500 is actually running at 2.93 gigahertz right now, and yeah, it's doing good. So I'm going to swap back to 2140, and I'm actually looking for a new CPU to play with, something real cheap. I'm not going to go any further than that, so we'll see what happens. I've been searching eBay just for some cool stuff. I also have some unboxing videos coming soon and some mini reviews of some products, so stay tuned for that. And thanks a lot for watching, guys. A lot more on this. I'll do some how-tos maybe on different things you can do to this case, and just all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are interested in this 692 Advanced, feel free to send me a question or anything, because I'll freely answer it, because this case is just very flexible. I'll say that it has a lot of options and it's very flexible with what you want to run inside. So alright guys, talk to you later.